you tired of all these video chat meetings, whether you're on Zoom or another platform? It's meeting after meeting after meeting. Are you getting a little bit tired of it? Well, I'm going to give you an idea for an icebreaker or an activity that you can put into your online meetings or trainings that will just add a little bit of fun. It's something that whether you're meeting with family, friends, colleagues, employees, clients, it is a little bit of fun that you can add. So what I'm going to do is screen record and enter, add that right now. So you can see the navigation of the tools and things that I'm using based on here at the bottom. So when you're recording with Zoom, that's great. You can share screen, but when you're sharing screen, people aren't necessarily seeing the elements that you're trying to teach them about navigation. So I do it this way. Hi, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services, and I'm thrilled to be sharing this behind the scenes little activity that you can try next time you're on a meeting. So, and it also is going to help for prepping for future meetings. That I can send people this video to teach them about this certain element that I'm going to share so that they can be ready for future meetings and online workshops. So here on Zoom, you have the ability to add a virtual background. So this is my normal background right now. My book's behind me, got the setup. So I can change this to a virtual background, and I'm going to recommend that you have 3 different versions ready, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first version, I created this in Canva. They have different virtual backgrounds, and then I added my logo. This is great when you're doing introductions, that you can have your logo and website. Sometimes I forget to put this on in the background when I'm doing my round table, but if you ask everyone to come prepared with 3 different virtual backgrounds, and you can see when I'm moving my hands, it does mess things up. So sitting a little bit more still helps with the background, because as you could see before, I didn't have a green screen. So it is possible to do this and for it to work pretty okay without a green screen. So here with the video camera, you press the arrow going up and then you choose virtual background. This is also where you can go to none and it can go back to my real background. So I recommend you having one that has your logo. You can create that ahead of time, and I'll show you how to upload. You can have none, and it's also fun. There are some different moving backgrounds. So this is a nice video background, which makes it fun. So you can have one that's your business. The other one can be a video somewhere you would love to be right now when we're dreaming of travel. And then a third one, you can plan for everyone to pick a background and have it ready that is fun. And so how you do this, when you go to your virtual backgrounds, you have some already there. In order to add an image or video, you just press the plus sign here, and you can add an image or add a video. So I'm going to add an image first of all, and I'm going to go to my downloads because I just added some. So I'm not sure what that's going to look like. Let's see. Got the big yellow chair behind me and my cat. So if you want to add a picture that has family or somebody else or a group shot and you want to be part of it, and then you can do a screen recording, that would be something fun. Okay, so for another option, choose virtual background, the plus sign again, add image. That's a giant cupcake. So this is just an example of what you can do, and it works fairly well. When I'm not moving around too much, it's good to have a solid color top if you're not moving your hands around. But when you do move, sometimes you can just drop out of the screen as well. So you can have some fun, have a group shot in background, whatever you'd like to do. I thought I would end this video with my virtual background and my logo and website address. Again, my name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. I would love it if you would like this video, share it so that other people can use these tips to prepare for your next meeting or online workshop so that people can learn how to add their virtual backgrounds and be ready for this fun activity. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to reach and engage the variety in your audience so they don't tune you out and instead light up through the experience, because online learning should not be boring no matter the topic. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Please check out the other videos for tips and resources you can use, and please subscribe. I'll see you soon.